Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday announced the rollout of a slew of benefits under the PM Cares for Children in a bid to support children who lost their parents to the COVID-19 pandemic. The decision was taken following a high-level review meeting chaired by the Prime Minister to deliberate on the impact of the pandemic on children and how to mitigate it. The PM Cares will contribute through a specially designed scheme to create a corpus of Rs 10 lakh for each child when they reach 18 years of age. The corpus will be used to give a monthly stipend from 18 to 23 years of age to take care of the child's personal requirements during the period of higher education. On reaching the age 23, the child will get the corpus amount as a lump sum for personal and professional use. The government will also ensure free education for such children. Amid an acute dearth of vaccines in the city, Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia hit out at the central government and accused it of sitting on the vaccine distribution system. Sisodia also alleged mismanagement by the centre and sought to know how private hospitals are getting vaccines while states are being told that there are no stocks. Claiming that inoculation centres for the 18 to 44 age group are shutting down due to lack of vaccines, he said the union government should share the data on doses provided to the states and the private sector. The inoculation exercise for the 18 to 44 age group was called off by the Aam Aadmi Party government on May 22nd after it ran out of vaccines for this category. As against the requirement of 1.84 crore doses to vaccinate 92 lakh people in this age group in Delhi, the centre has provided 4.5 lakh doses in the month of April and 3.67 lakh doses in the month of May, Sisodia said. West Bengal leader of opposition Suvendu Adhikari of Bharatiya Janata Party on Saturday said that the sudden transfer of the state's Chief Secretary Alapan Bandyopadhyay to the Ministry of Public Grievances and Pensions on Friday evening was justified and fair. At a virtual press conference, Adhikari stated the Chief Secretary broke protocol yesterday by walking away. As an IAS officer, he knows the protocol. In keeping with the Constitution, this is fair. It is not about any political party. If the centre wants, it can recall anyone. The Congress party on Saturday accused Bharatiya Janata Party's Lok Sabha MP Tejaswi Surya of profiteering with COVID-19 vaccines in the midst of the pandemic. The Congress has alleged that Tejaswi Surya and his uncle Ravi Subramania, a three-time BJP MLA, have been asking people in Bangalore to get vaccinated at a particular private hospital. Referring to a leaked audio, the Congress has alleged that Ravi Subramania is getting a handsome share of the amount charged for vaccination by this hospital. Addressing a press conference, Congress leader Pawan Khera and Srinivas V alleged that in the leaked audio, a person from the said hospital can be heard telling a patient that the price of the COVID-19 vaccine cannot be less than 900 rupees since 700 rupees has to go to Ravi Subramania. Lyricist and poet Veramuthu was recently conferred with the prestigious ONV Kurup Award. In his latest video, he said that he is declining the award as he doesn't want to put the ONV award team in a tough spot. After the award was announced, many netizens including Chinmay Sripada and Parvati called out the jury for honouring a Me Too accused. Veramuthu was named as a sexual predator by 17 women, including Chinmayi, in the Me Too movement. Based on the backlash, the ONV Cultural Academy said that they will re-examine the award. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our Super Supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.